Hello students, welcome back. Children, I have already done meanings and question answers in the last two videos. So today we will start with working with language. So let's get started. Question A. Fill in the blanks in the sentences below with the words or phrases. Phrases means which does not make complete sense, like between you and me. True to his word. This does not make complete sense. So these kind of words or group of words are known as phrases. From the box. Okay, so these are the options given to you and these are the questions you have to fill up. You have to choose from the bracket, from the boxes and fill it in the appropriate blank. So let's get started with first question. Some people find household dash a bore, but I like to help at home. Answer is chores. And as chores means daily routine work. This second one, who stole the diamond, is still a dash. It's still a mystery. Mystery means rahasya. Okay. This dash, we are going to have a class exhibition. Semester. Answer is semester. Semester means the two periods that the school year is divided into. Like we have first semester and second semester. Fourth, dash, the elf began to help Patrick. So what will be the answer? True to his word. Answer is true to his word. True to his word means to keep promise. Fifth, can you dash this word in the dictionary? Answer is look up. Answer is look up. What do you mean by look up? Look up means to search. Understood? To move your eyes upwards to look at something or someone. Sixth, I started early to be on time, but I was dash. There was a traffic jam. Answer is out of luck. Out of luck means unlucky. She says she has got a lot of books, but dash, I think most of them are borrowed between you and me. It has been borrowed between you and me. So here is the answer that I have already discussed. Now next question B. Use the clues given below to complete this crossword puzzle. Children, it won't be coming like this, but it may come in the meaning form. So it's very necessary. Don't leave it out, okay? Don't think that it's not going to come, it's not important. So don't think like that. So here is the across, that is very tired. Now, what's the meaning of it? Here is the answer. Weary. Hamper. Weary means very tired. Hamper. Hamper means a basket where dirty clothes are kept. Then scowled, that is facial expression, isn't it? Scowled means facial expression. Chores. Chores means daily routine work. Breeches, that is short trouser. Then shrieked, shouted. Glitch, problem. Elf, a fairy boy. Parilok se aaya hua, a tiny small man. Okay. Then what's remaining? Done everything? Okay. So let's move on to the speaking part. Now children, this is for your purpose. Understood? You can practice this with your having communication with your brother, sister, isn't it? You have to use these words and you have to communicate. You have to form words. Okay. So moving on to writing part. Question A. This story has a lot of rhyming words. Now, what do you mean by rhyming words? Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. For example, see here, said, instead. Understood? Here you see, size, wise. Work, homework. Hat, cat. So which sounds, the ending sound is similar. So that kind of word is known as rhyming word. Okay. Next. Question B. Look at these sentences. This also, when we speak, we often leave out words that can easily be guessed. We do not do this when we write unless we are trying to write as we speak. So we skip many things, understood, when it is understood. But when we say it in a sentence, we include many things like homework is too boring, he said. So when we say it, we say that he said that homework is too boring. So in the same way, read the sentences carefully. Next, question C. Rewrite the following incomplete sentences carefully so that the reader does not have to guess what is left out. So these are some of the incomplete sentences given to you. You have to form a sentence out of it, a meaningful sentence out of it. So here, my sister loves, first question is more and more books. Answer, my sister loves reading more and more books. It's making complete sense. Next, too difficult. Maths is too difficult to understand. Got up late. Children, you can use your own sentence also. It's not necessary that whatever teacher I have mentioned here, only that you have to write or learn, okay? Maths is too difficult to understand. Next, got up late, missed the bus. Last Friday, my brother got up late. He missed the bus for college. Solved the mystery. The detective solved the mystery of the crime scene. Next comes question D. Children, this is for as an activity you can do this. Look at this cartoon by R.K. Lakshman. Read the sentence given below the cartoon. Discuss the following questions with your partner. What is it about? Do you find it funny? If so, then why? You have to give reason. First of all, you have to mention what it is about. Then if you find it funny, then why? Why so funny? Do you think a cartoon is a serious drawing? If no, then why? What's the reason? If yes, then also you have to mention the reason. Here is the cartoon. This you have already got in your textbook. This you can write, do in your own words. Okay? So that's all for today, children. I will be sending PDF of the same on Teams. Okay? Take care.